In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Humanity Protocol, the H token on Binance Alpha step by step. First, open your Binance app and tap the search icon at the top of your screen. Now, type in H and scroll down until you see the listing for H Humanity Protocol under BSC Alpha. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to the trading page. As you can see, the live chart shows the price movement, and yes, it can be a little volatile. To view more details, just tap Info at the top. Here you'll see the 24-hour high and low volume and even the project's audit for audit and background. Now to buy the token, just tap the trade button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be given two options: instant buy for a quick market order or limit order to set your own price. Select your preferred method, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've officially bought H on Binance Alpha.